Hi, my name is Bjorn and I'm the proud owner of Drone Scotland, one of Scotland's leading UAV data providers. Our largest sector is without doubt the construction market, where we work with a range of companies who are involved in commercial, industrial and residential developments. We have a wide array of clients within the construction sector. This includes house builders, contractors, subcontractors, CGI designers, architects, surveyors, as well as media and PR agencies. We're proud to offer an array of services, including imagery and video, 2D georeference mapping, 3D modelling, time-lapse imagery, thermal imagery, as well as progress reporting. If you'd like to find out more about Drone Scotland and the services we offer within the Scottish construction sector, please contact us direct. The details are along the bottom and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your time.